Next you are going to study about lasso tools. It is also a type of selection tool. In the toolbar, here is the position of lasso tools. In this, three types of lasso tools are there: the normal lasso tool, then polygonal lasso tool, and a magnetic lasso tool. What is this lasso tool? It allows you to select the portion of an image by drawing a freehand selection around it. Like this, you can draw and select an image by using a freehand selection. It is done by using lasso tool. Photoshop has three types of lasso tools that we see: lasso, polygonal, and magnetic lasso. What is the simple lasso tool? It allows you to make a freehand selection in the desired shape by dragging the mouse pointer over the portion of the image to be selected. So this is an example of normal lasso tool. Just click and drag the mouse pointer around the image in a desired shape. For example, if you want to select it in a round shape, you can do it like this. Okay, this is simple lasso tool, and you can move that image to another page also. For this, we have to use the move tool from this toolbar. Then use that move tool and bring the image to the new window like this. So this is called the lasso tool. You can select the image in any desired shape. Okay. Next one is polygonal lasso tool. Select it from here. Its icon is also different. Polygonal lasso tool. It helps you to select the portion of the image by clicking at different points in the form of a polygon. What is polygon? We know that in mathematics you have already studied about hexagon, like that. Hexagon has different points. For example, triangle, it has 3 points. Rectangle, it has 4 points. Pentagon has 5 points. Then hexagon has 6 points. So like that, polygon means a shape with many points. Okay, so like a polygon, you can click and select the image by clicking at particular points. This is the icon of the polygonal lasso tool. Then click here, then click at another point, then some other point. Like this, you can click at different points and can select an image or a part of the image. Here we are selecting only the part of the image. Okay. So you will get an image like this after selecting using the polygonal lasso tool. So do you see that? Click or start clicking at a particular point, then click at different points and select the part of the image like this. So it forms a polygon with the different points. The selection ends at clicking the beginning point itself. Then the selection completes. After this, you can use the move tool to move that image part to this image. So this is done by using polygonal lasso tool. But the best lasso tool for selecting such complex things is magnetic lasso tool. That is the next one, magnetic lasso tool. It allows you to select the objects with complex edges set against high contrast backgrounds, and this tool sticks to the edges of the image, automatically sticks to the edges of the image, thereby making the selection very easy. Let's look at this magnetic lasso tool, how it works. Just click on any position of the image first where you want to start selection. Then as you move the mouse around the image, this line sticks to the edges of the image. I'm not doing anything, just moving the mouse pointer around the image. Then that line automatically sticks to the edges of the image. Whenever there is a bend, you can click there. This helps us to select the image perfectly. So the images with complex edges can be selected using magnetic lasso tool. Now you can use the move tool and bring the image to this area. You can increase or decrease its size as necessary. You can skew it if you want. Skew ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതുപോലെ ചെരിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് skew ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, so you can select a part of the image with complex edges using magnetic lasso tool. Okay, different lasso tools are there. Simple lasso, polygonal lasso and magnetic lasso is there. Simple lasso tool allows us to select the image freehand in any desired shape by dragging the mouse pointer over the portion of the image. Then what is polygonal lasso? It allows you to select the portion of an image by clicking at different points in the form of a polygon. Then magnetic lasso tool allows you to select the objects with complex edges. And what happened here? When you click the tool on the image and move the mouse pointer, what happens here? The selection line sticks to the edges of the image and thereby making the selection very easy. So the easiest selection tool among lasso tools is magnetic lasso tool. This is the edited image. Now we have selected the image of a pup from another image and moved it to this scenery image. Okay, This can be done using the Adobe Photoshop application software. Okay, it was selected using magnetic lasso tool.